Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is new sneakers I want to show today, and this one is the new color of Nike SB Dunk sneakers. This is the new color, so you can check out the whole view with the for the Nike shoes is the yellow thread material, and the white part on the upper is the temple leather. And for the blue part also is the thread material. For the whole pair, the material is very comfortable. And for the shape of the shoes is very good. And here got the metallic tag here. And on this part got the red Nike shoes. And this part got this logo embroidered here. And for the midsole is the white color. For the whole pair, the shape is very good. And about the toe base, so you can look the shape is also very good. Blue thread, and this part is the white temple leather. You can look how soft. And got the white shoelace. And on the shoe tom, on the top, got the letters embroidered here. So this one not like the Nike, but the other letters embroidered here. And on the top is unfinished cut off. And for the inner side, the color the same. For whole pair, the color is very unique. Very flat color. And the bottom is the black one. In the middle got Nike shoes. Now check out the back side. You can look white Nike embroidery. The shape is very good. For the inside the shoe pad, you can look. This is the shoe pad. Got the letters there. And then the back side of the shoe tom got the text. Let me show the other one. You can look here, got another extra shoelace with this color. Okay, so this is the new color of Nike SB Dunk sneakers. What do you think with this one? You can comment below. If you want to copy this one, please check out my web link, yourshop.ru. Thanks for seeing you next time.